Pigeons are fascinating birds known for their intelligence, adaptability, and strong homing instincts. They belong to the species Columba and have been domesticated for centuries. Pigeons exist in various breeds, each with unique traits and purposes. Homing pigeons are famous for their ability to navigate long distances and return home. This skill has been used for centuries in message delivery and pigeon racing. King pigeons are large and mainly bred for meat production. Fantail pigeons stand out with their fan-shaped tails, making them popular in exhibitions. Jacobin pigeons are easily recognizable due to the feathered hood covering their heads. Modena pigeons are compact and colorful, often kept for their striking appearance. Roller pigeons are admired for their acrobatic skills, performing backward somersaults while flying. Tumbler pigeons also showcase aerial stunts, known for their mid-air flips and rolls. Lahore pigeons are large with beautiful color patterns, making them a favorite among breeders. Indian fantails have an even more exaggerated tail than regular fantails, adding to their unique beauty. Pouters are distinguished by their inflated crops, which give them a larger appearance. The lifespan of a pigeon varies based on its environment. Wild pigeons typically live between 3 to 5 years due to predators and environmental factors. Domesticated pigeons can live up to 15 years, with some reaching 20 under proper care. Racing pigeons often have shorter lifespans due to the physical demands of training and competition. Pigeons are social birds that thrive in flocks. They communicate using cooing sounds and body language. Their diet mainly consists of grains, seeds, and occasional fruits. With proper care, pigeons can form strong bonds with their owners and demonstrate remarkable intelligence. Pigeons are intelligent and highly adaptable birds found in almost every part of the world. They belong to the species Columba and have been domesticated for thousands of years for various purposes, including racing, exhibition, and companionship. Breeds of pigeons. Pigeons come in many breeds, each with unique traits. Some of the most popular breeds include homing pigeon, known for their remarkable ability to navigate and return home from long distances. Used in racing and message delivery. King pigeon, a large breed mainly bred for meat production. Fantail pigeon, recognizable by its beautiful fan-shaped tail, commonly seen in exhibitions. Jacobin pigeon, has a distinctive feathered hood covering its head. Modena pigeon, a compact breed with vibrant colors, primarily kept for ornamental purposes. Roller pigeon, famous for its aerial acrobatics, performing flips and spins in midair. Tumbler pigeon, known for its rolling and tumbling flight patterns. Lahore pigeon, a large, decorative breed with striking feather patterns. Indian fantail, a variation of the fantail with an even more exaggerated tail. Pouter pigeon, notable for its inflated crop, which makes it appear larger. Lifespan and habitat. Pigeons can thrive in a variety of environments, from urban cities to rural farmlands. Their lifespan depends on factors like environment, diet, and care. Wild pigeons live for about 3 to 5 years due to predators and environmental dangers. Domesticated pigeons can live between 10 to 15 years, with some reaching 20 years under proper care. Diet and nutrition. Pigeons primarily feed on grains, seeds, and small fruits. A balanced diet includes corn, wheat, and barley for energy. Peas and lentils for protein. Grit and minerals to aid digestion. Fresh water should always be available to maintain hydration and overall health. Behavior and intelligence. Pigeons are social birds that thrive in flocks. They communicate through cooing sounds, body movements, and feather displays. Studies have shown that pigeons can recognize human faces, solve simple puzzles, and even understand abstract concepts like numbers and shapes. Breeding and nesting. Pigeons form strong bonds with their mates and usually stay together for life. They build simple nests in sheltered areas, often using twigs and leaves. A female pigeon typically lays 2 eggs, which hatch after about 17 to 19 days. Both parents take turns incubating the eggs and feeding the young with a special secretion called pigeon milk. Cultural and historical significance. Throughout history, pigeons have played vital roles in human civilization. Used as messengers during wars, carrying vital information over long distances. Symbols of peace and love in various cultures. Valued in pigeon racing, a popular sport worldwide. Caring for pet pigeons. If keeping pigeons as pets, ensure they have a spacious and well-ventilated loft. A clean environment to prevent diseases. A proper diet and fresh water. Pigeons are known for their strong pair bonds and affectionate nature. They are one of the few bird species that mate for life, forming deep emotional connections with their partners. Their love for each other is expressed through gentle cooing, preening, and close companionship. How pigeons show love. Lifelong bonding. Once pigeons find a mate, they stay together for life, showing deep loyalty and care. They support each other in nesting, feeding, and protecting their young. Preening each other. Mated pigeons express love by gently grooming and preening their partner's feathers, a sign of affection and trust. Cooing softly. Pigeons communicate their love through gentle cooing sounds, which help strengthen their bond. Staying close. Mated pairs are almost always seen together, sitting side by side, flying together, or feeding near each other. Courtship dance. Male pigeons woo their mates by puffing up their chests, spreading their tails, and bowing while making soft cooing sounds. The female responds by accepting his gestures and staying close. Nesting together. Both partners build a nest, with the male bringing materials and the female arranging them. They take turns incubating the eggs and raising their chicks. Feeding each other. Pigeons sometimes feed their mate as a loving gesture, strengthening their bond. Defending their partner. If another pigeon or intruder comes too close, the male will often protect his mate by standing guard or chasing away threats. Pigeons' love for each other is pure, loyal, and lifelong. Their deep connections show how affectionate and devoted they can be. Pigeons are remarkable birds, not just for their intelligence and homing ability but also for their deep emotional connections. They are one of the few species that form lifelong bonds with their partners, showing love and affection in many ways. Their relationships are based on trust, companionship, and shared responsibilities. Love and bonding in pigeons. Pigeons begin their romantic journey with an elaborate courtship process. The male selects a potential mate and starts his charming display to win her affection. He puffs up his chest, fans his tail, and performs a gentle bow while cooing softly. If the female is interested, she responds by staying close to him, indicating her acceptance. Once a pair bonds, they remain together for life. This bond is not just about reproduction, it is a deep companionship that includes shared responsibilities, protection, and constant affection. Unlike many animals that change partners frequently, pigeons are known for their loyalty and devotion. Expressions of love in pigeons. Preening and grooming. Mated pigeons express love by preening each other's feathers. This act is not only a form of hygiene but also a sign of deep affection and care. One pigeon gently nibbles and cleans the other's feathers, ensuring their mate looks and feels comfortable. Soft cooing sounds. Pigeons communicate their emotions through sounds. Mated pairs often exchange soft, rhythmic coos, which help strengthen their connection. These coos are especially common when they are nesting together. Always staying together. Once pigeons form a pair, they are rarely seen apart. Whether they are foraging for food, resting, or flying, they prefer to stay close. This companionship is a key part of their relationship. Building a nest as a couple. Nesting is an important milestone in a pigeon's love life. The male gathers twigs, leaves, and other materials, while the female arranges them into a cozy nest. This shared task helps deepen their bond as they prepare to start a family. Raising chicks together. Pigeons take equal responsibility in raising their young. The female lays 1 or 2 eggs, and both parents take